Hi guys, I'm at my local B&Q store and guess what I have found? I found this Candy 8kg, 5kg washer dryer. I wonder what the model number is. The model number is GCSW485T. So you got all your options. So you've got iron dry, synthetics, baby care, daily 59 minutes, rapid 14, 30, 44 minutes, cottons, white plus pre-wash, rinse, drain plus spin, delicates, wool, silk. And for your drying options, you've got your dry wool, low heat, high heat, and smart touch. So if you've got the app, you can connect to Wi-Fi. So child lock, KG mode, and door lock. You've got your temperatures, 1400 RPM, and AAA energy rating. And over here is the standard washer, this one. And the model number for this one is, it's a CS148D3. This one is the same as the washer dryer here, but this one sadly doesn't have a digital display. So you can delay it up to 3 to 9 hours when it's washing, when it's rinsing, and when it's spinning. That's rinse plus, so I think that's an extra rinse. I think that's child lock. You've got temperatures from 20 to 90, no spin 1400, and smart touch as well. White, cottons plus pre-wash, Eco Mix 20, standard cotton. Got synthetics, daily 59 minutes, rapid 30, rinse, drain and spin, delicates, jeans, baby care, wool, hand wash, smart tech. This is just like the washer dryer there, but this is an A++ energy rating, KG detector, rapid cycles with smart tech. And there are some tumble dryers there as well, and a Beko dishwasher. And all the rest of the Candy machines are all over there. And that's the review of the Candy washing machine and washer dryer here at my local B&Q store.